Here's a critical detail that many miss. Dreaming of ancient romance treats, the fashion of Milan, or a world-class medical degree in Italy, all in English with tuition fees that are surprisingly affordable. Processing typically takes 3 to 6 weeks but can be longer. The interview can feel daunting, but with KALINGAEURO's preparation, you will walk in confident. Permesso di soggiorno, your residence permit, within 8 days at the local questura. Loan sanction letter is also accepted, but ensure from helping you choose the right university and course to language training, German, Italian, French. Your Italy Dream Simplified, the ultimate student visa guide for Indian students by KALINGAEURO. Namaste, future global leaders. Dreaming of ancient romance treats, the fashion of Milan, or a world-class medical degree in Italy? You are not alone. At KALINGAEURO, a brand of Adhyalma EduTech, we have helped countless Indian students just like you turn that Italian dream into an incredible reality. But how do you get there? It all starts with one crucial step: your student visa. Stick with us, because today we are not just giving you information, we are giving you the ultimate roadmap to success, including insider pro tips that you absolutely cannot miss. Why Italy? Imagine pursuing your bachelor's, master, or even an MBBS from globally recognized institutions like the University of Bologna, the world's oldest. Your degree, whether in engineering, design, business, humanities, or medicine, will be globally respected, and for MBBS recognized by WHO and Indians NMC. Picture yourself immersed in a rich culture, studying cutting-edge subjects, all in English with tuition fees that are surprisingly affordable, especially with the fully funded scholarship we specialize in. Italy offers incredible opportunities for research, global exchange adventures, and vibrant lifestyle. It's an academic and cultural powerhouse for any field of study, and KALINGAEURO is your trusted partner in making it happen. Understanding your visa, the D-type difference. Alright, let's talk about the specific visa you need. For most university degree programs in Italy, which typically last longer than 90 days, you will apply for a Type D Narration visa. Think of it as your long stay pass to Italian academic. Once you land in Italy with your D-type visa, you will need to apply for your Permesso di Soggiorno, your residence permit, within 8 days at the local questura. Don't worry, that's a post-arrival step, and KALINGAEURO provides full guidance for that too. Finding your visa hub. Jurisdiction is everything. Now here's a critical detail that many miss. Jurisdiction. You must apply to the Italian diplomatic mission that covers your current residential address for the past 6 months, not just where your passport was issued. Getting this wrong can cause major delays. New Delhi. If you reside in North India, that includes New Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, and Chandigarh. Mumbai. For our student in Western India, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Kerala, and the Union Territories of Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Lakshadweep. Kolkata. For East and Northeast India, West Bengal, our home state Orissa, Bihar, Jharkhand, Assam, and the other northeastern states, plus Andaman and Nicobar. Bengaluru. And for southern India, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Puducherry. Almost all applications go through VFS Global, the official service partner. Always check their website for the absolute latest requirements and to book your appointment. Remember, incorrect jurisdiction means an instant roadblock. The document checklist, your success blueprint. This is the backbone of your application, so pay close attention. KALINGAEURO prides itself on meticulous document preparation. Here's what you will need. Ensure every item is perfect. Number 1. Valid passport. Must be valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay, issued within the last 10 years and have at least 2 blank pages. Second, visa application form. Duly filled and signed, no errors. Third, passport size photos. Adhered to Schengen visa specification. Fourth, covering letter, statement of purpose SOP, your story. A concise, compelling letter explaining why Italy, why this course, why this university, your financial plan, your post-graduation intentions. Fifth, proof of admission. The official letter from your Italian university. Crucially, if your university requires it, the pre-enrollment summary from the Universe Italy portal showing immatricolazione perfezionata status is a must. Sixth, academic documents. Color copies of your final degree or school certificate and transcripts, mark sheets. Critical, this must be duly attested and apostilled by the Ministry of External Affairs, MEA, Government of India. This step is non-negotiable and requires time. Declaration of value, DOV or CIMEA certificate. Your university will specify which one you need. Sometimes you can apply for the visa and DOV on the same day, but confirm this beforehand. Your updated CV, proof of financial means. This is vital. You need to demonstrate sufficient funds of at least 6,079.45 euros for 1 year or 506.62 euros for each month of your stay. 6-month original bank statement stamped and signed by the bank manager for the applicant. Proof of income source, employment, business, ITR for at least 3-year DMAT or family income certificate. If sponsored, only by parent legal guardians, their 6-month original bank statement, sponsor ID proof, a sponsorship letter, and their income proof. An education loan sanction letter is also accepted, but ensure the funds are visible. Number 1. Overseas medical insurance, minimum 30,000 euros coverage, valid for at least the first 6 months and must include a repatriation clause. Second, one-way flight ticket reservation, a confirmed booking, not just a tentative plan. Third, proof of accommodation for at least the first 30 days in Italy. Example, university dorm confirmation, hotel booking or a rental agreement. This will be verified. Fourth, proof of language proficiency, B2 level in English, IELTS, TOEFL or Italian, CELI, CELI or CIL, CILS, depending on your course's language of instructions. Fifth, proof of full tuition fees, a payment if your university or school is not public funded. The application flow, your step-by-step journey. So how does it all come together? First, university acceptance, the first big yes. Second, document gathering and preparation. This is where KALINGAEURO ensures every single paper is perfect. Third, book VFS global appointment. Do this as soon as you have your core documents. Slots fill fast. Fourth, submit application and biometrics. Attend your appointment, submit your meticulously prepared file and provide your fingerprints. Fifth, potential interview. Be ready if the consulate requests one. Sixth, track your application. VFS Global lets you monitor its status. Seventh, collect your passport and visa. Processing typically takes 3 to 6 weeks but can be longer during peak season. Apply early always. Ace the interview. Common questions and winning answers. The interview can feel daunting, but with KALINGAEURO's preparation, you will walk in confident. Here are common questions and how to tackle them. Why Italy? Why this specific university and course? Your answer should be specific, passionate and well researched. Show them you truly know your chosen path. How will you finance your studies and stay? Be clear, concise and confident about your financial proofs. Practice explaining your bank statements or loan details. What are your plans after graduation? This is crucial. Emphasize your intent to return to India or pursue specific global career opportunities that your Italian degree unlocks. Show strong ties to home. Do you have any family or friends in Italy? answer truthfully. Do you speak Italian? If your course is in English, you can express your desire to learn Italian while there. If your course is in Italian, demonstrate your proficiency confident. We conduct mock interviews at KALINGAEURO to make sure you are prepared for any question. KALINGAEURO's age your passport to success. Why embark on this journey alone when you have KALINGAEURO? Proven expertise since 2018, we have built an unparalleled track record, end-to-end support. From helping you choose the right university and course to language training, German, Italian, French. Test preparation, IMAT, IELTS, TOEFL, SAT, ACT, GRE, GMAT and BMAT, and ensuring every single visa document is perfect. Scholarship specialist, our mission is to help ambitious students secure fully funded scholarship. We live and breathe this, and here's an exclusive KALINGAEURO advantage. If you are admitted to a public university and for any reason face the challenge of losing your scholarship, our dedicated scholarship expert will guide you step by step on how to leverage at least a unique income-based tuition system to potentially reduce your fees to almost zero. This means your dream remains affordable. One-stop solution, no need to juggle different consultants. We are your complete partners based right here in Orissa and Delhi, serving all of India. We are not just an agency, we are your dedicated team committed to your global success. Pro tips for your visa success. You have made it to the end and here's your reward. Our exclusive pro tips for Italy student visa success. Number 1, start early like yesterday. Visa slots, DOV appointment, any apostille, everything takes time. Don't wait for your admission letter. Begin preparing documents as soon as possible. Second, double check and triple check every single document. A tiny error can lead to rejection and massive delays. Get a fresh pair of eyes like us at KALINGAEURO to review everything. Third, financials. Consistency is key. Ensure your bank statement clearly shows the required funds for the entire duration and that the source of income is transparent and well documented. No last minute large deposits. Fourth, ties to home. The golden thread. During your interview, clearly articulate your strong reason for returning to India after your studies. This is a primary concern for visa officers. Fifth, be genuine and confident. Consular officers can spot dishonesty. Be truthful, concise, and confident in your answers and your intentions. Sixth, follow official channels only. Only rely on information from the official embassy's consulate website and VFS Global. Avoid rumors or outdated advice. These small details can make a huge difference in your visa outcome. Ready to make your Italian dream a reality? Don't let the visa process intimidate you. Let KALINGAEURO be your guiding light. Contact us today for a personalized consultation. Links are in the description below. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel for more invaluable insights and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next guide. Your journey to Italy starts now.